My name is Barbara Whitman Howell. I'm a marine biologist, and I'm the owner of Under the Sea Hawaii. Our glass bottom boat is different than any other. It is a hydrofoil, so it can go really fast, but we don't have to go fast. It has the largest glass bottom in the world, and the glass bottom is magnified. Because of the design of the boat is super comfortable. It rides very steady, it's stable, and it's the only one in Hawaii, and it's only one of two in the United States, and the other one is in the Keys, the Florida Keys. The daytime tours are amazing. One of the cool things about this boat is that we can make it pretty much wherever the animals are because it's a high-speed vessel. Dolphins are the #1 request for people when it's not whale season. And the first time that we saw dolphins under the glass bottom, we couldn't believe it. They came just right up and under. And they like to escort the boat so that we can see them not only in front of the boat, but under the boat and on the sides of the boat. We feel like we're part of their pod. It's amazing. I don't know how to explain it. You can't really explain it, you just have to do it. Every time we go out snorkeling, not only do we tell them what they're looking at, but we're explaining what the animals are doing. And the people on the boat are getting the exact same experience. Somebody's on the boat with them to point out what they're seeing under the glass, identify the animals, and explain what the animals are doing. I've had so many people tell me it's the best experience either they have ever had or of everything they've done here in Hawaii, which makes me feel really proud. I created this program, these tours for families. Everybody in the family can come. Grandparents, babies, it doesn't matter. This is a family experience, and this is an experience for the people that live here. If they have families visiting from the mainland, they'll come over and they get to share things with all different generations of their family. It's the coolest thing. I love it. Online, you can find us at www.undertheseahawaii.com. All one word, undertheseahawaii.com. Just think of the Little Mermaid, under the sea. And if you go to our website, there's a video of the boat and a sampler of the tours so that you get a much better idea of what you're looking for. And you can book online. We have an amazing Kama'aina discount. And if you book direct or call us, and we'll help you with it, and we'll give you the Kama'aina code for getting a discount. We have 2.5-hour trips, 4-hour trips, and 6-hour trips. And what you see, you're not going to see the same way with anyone else.